Keeping up with PeopleSoft shouldn't be a hassle. What if you could access expert training anytime, anywhere, without waiting for a scheduled class? With the PeopleSoft All-Access Learning Pass from SpearMC, you get unlimited, on-demand training that fits your schedule. This is the most comprehensive and affordable PeopleSoft training library available, packed with expert-led courses, hands-on exercises, and recorded sessions you can access 24/7. And don't worry about outdated content. Our team updates courses regularly, adding new lessons and webinars every quarter. Want to follow a structured learning path? We've got you covered. Need a quick answer to a PeopleSoft challenge? Just search the library and find what you need. Plus, you can download materials to learn on the go. No internet required. PeopleSoft training shouldn't slow you down. Get the knowledge you need when you need it, at a price that makes sense. Contact SpearMC to sign up for the PeopleSoft All Access Learning Pass today.